Welcome back to Quick Tips. Today, we need to clarify some safety information when it comes to using your QuickJack frame sideways. So check it out. I'm Max, and I'm glad you're watching because this is an important safety update. We've said before that it's safe to turn your QuickJack frame sideways and lift your car. But to do this safely, you need to consider the weight distribution of your car. Vehicles close to a 50-50 weight distribution are best, just like the car behind me now. All the same, the best way to use QuickJack is with the frames placed along the wheelbase as intended. It's easier that way to disengage the locks. With this setup, I need a tool to help me out, like this broom. So, that's your sideways frame safety tip. Be sure to subscribe because we have a bunch of new topics to cover in the weeks ahead. Thanks for watching.